Shitbox.
Rip out.
Rip out.
Going to tune the Del Sol at XPerformance and then drive it home. So, cross your fingers, nothing blows up. I had Carlos at XPerformance order me a Hondata S300. Had him install that in the Del Sol. He told me I could come down to tune it and then I could just drive it home. I did not pass up that opportunity. So enjoy the night of tuning. It was a blast, and hope to do it again.
All right.
Whatever?
Clutch.
No!
Yeah, it stayed there. Oh, clutch wet. Your buddies. Your buddies.
So how come it's later in third gear?
Oh, because the load and power is coming in. And I roll into it easy in second.
Damn.
Let me take some fuel out real quick though, because it needs fuel out. Real quick before the battery dies and I get to... Clutch. Hey, the clutch is gone. Hold on.
He just wanted a new clutch.
No, I
So
told
he just
him.
roasted it. No,
7 pounds. It's perfect. It's 8.7. All right, good.
Was that the limiter? Was that pop or was it an increase?
Ish. Hold on. Let me I'm gonna keep doing fucking pulls. I'm getting this shit turned in or dialed in. I mean, we're also out of injector, but I don't care.
Just
It sounded cool.
will the clutch get me home?
Cruising, not beating on it. How much battery I got? Not much. Might put on the right.
No.
How about after you?
After that car, you can.
Is that a Popo?
Don't know.
Find out.
Can't tell. That was a real sound. Fuck.
Launch it.
Are you gonna break it?
I don't know. Kill the clutch.
Yeah. It worked?
I stopped.
A little
pushed the
bit.
clutch in. No, I pushed it in.
It would have kept going.
Yeah.
Well,
I know.
until it didn't.
That just sound good, yo.
The clutch is fucked.
Oh,
As soon as it gets in third and load, it's
is that what that smell is?
clutch. It's done. I can't keep going because it's actually zinging, so it won't put me in the load cells.
Oh, like when you're...
Tuning, yeah, it just zaps up. That's why when I tried to punch it in third, it went pig rich. But the other thing is, watch this. Hold on. You're gonna laugh. Let me go here. We actually did pulls and we're seeing 8 pounds. You're gonna laugh. We're out of fuel the whole run. It's gonna blow up. You can't look at 5,000. The injectors are just pegged open. There's no more fuel to spray into it. It's just everything that it can give. So we need injectors and a clutch. Watch your clutch zing. So right here, all right, that's just fucking around in second. Get it into third, and then
Just drops.
Just zings. We're not going anywhere. It was real bad over here. Hold on.
How much do you think it added horsepower-wise?
8 pounds, like 80.
It felt like a lot compared to before.
Problem is I can't. I need a clutch tuner. We need injectors. We're 100% injectors. As soon as it goes in VTEC, you're out of injectors. Because I got your crossover. Look, pretty sure I think it was just at 5,000 just to start tuning. As soon as you cross over. As soon as you cross over into VTEC. Injector duty cycle. We're just out of fuel.
Yeah.
Just 100% out. Go ahead.
This one?
Yep. They're good. Now you want to shift. Shift. Punch it.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's gonna rip when she has a clutch. How'd that feel?
Well, now I see what you're talking about with the clutch where it just stopped moving.
Yeah, you see right here. Just, we're not going nowhere. However, we did start in and out. This was down there. It's all over the place. Not good. We made 8 pounds. It felt great, didn't it?
Yes.
But we were out of injector, like what we see. And then it leans out because we have no injector.
Right.
Or just, that's fine. But now you can drive it and it's going to drive beautiful. IAT, there's
So technically, that was my first real rip in a tuned turbo car, and that was absolutely ridiculous. I think he said we made like 8 pounds of boost. The clutch is fried. Third gear under load, it stops. So I'm gonna order a clutch. We ran out of injectors. I'm gonna order injectors. Throw those 2 things in, and this is gonna be a little animal. So I'll take some more video driving her home. Gonna go pretty easy since the clutch is I just needed to get me home. So